Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Yesterday we nailed it. We nailed it. Straight nailing. You know what is going to happen today? Since the code said, because you know what these guys did? The code said 139. Then what? 3113 came. 3119 came. I gave you 1 plus bonus. I didn't even pair these numbers like for you guys. So it's okay. For those who want to join my group, you follow the link below in the first comment. First comment of the video, so you don't get confused. And I also have books. Always mention this in a daily basis. You can come and buy yourself a book. Okay, so let us go and check what we got yesterday from that pairing app, because that's where we get the numbers. Okay, cool. So yesterday I said the banker was 12. I said the banker was 12. It came as 12. So which means yesterday there was this number. This one came. There was this one. It came. And then there was 34. You can go and check, guys, from my previous video. You'll see what I made. Because the code was 139. The one that I had. And then I said it was 3119. Which was 1 plus bonus. This was amazing code ever. Okay. So, as much as you can see, you know, when I talk of the home figures, this is very important. It's very, very, very important. When you hear someone say home figure, that's very important. Home figure of 4 is 22. Home figure of 12 is 3. Home figure of 17 is 8. Home figure of 23 is 5. Home figure of 31 is 4. Home figure of 34 is a 7. Home figure of 19 is a 10. So home figures, they do differ. If you see them lower like this, sometimes they split the numbers like this other day. If you can check here, these guys, they used home figures and they killed us. They crashed us to I don't know. Because the home figure of 2 is a 20, which they came together here. So there was no reason for them. Instead, they used the home figure of 20. It brought a 2. Home figure of 18 is a 9. They did not bring the 9. Actually, this, let me see. This, okay, let's go down. This brought this. Actually, what? No, I'm fine. This brought this T. So I'm okay when I say home figure of 20 is that. Home figure of this one is an 8. They skipped the 8. Home figure of that was a 9. Home figure of that was an 8. So these guys, if you see a split like this, you must know that the next generation coming, they're going to bring these numbers. They combine them. They combine these numbers. Every time if you see a split of 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 5, you must know that they're going to combine those numbers on the next coming draw. Okay, anyway, without wasting time, let us go and solve our codes. So today's banker again is 12 or 21. Me, I'm not scared. Banker is 12, 21. So you must expect this guy is coming today. 2014. I love this number. This number has made me so much money. 2014. I'm just putting it as a number. They just put it on lunch or branch and T if it does not drop. Okay, so our banker is 12 and 20. Let me just put it like this and add a 20 there. Okay, a 20 there. But 21 is coming as a sure banker today. So I'm like, let's do it that way. Okay, so the code is 120. Which is, if you add this code, it gives you a 21. If you separate it, gives you a 19. So a 19 did come. Instead of 19, we're going to convert this 19 into a home figure, which is 8. So there's a high chance of an 8 to come. But if this 20 is going to come, then the 14 is also has to drop. And this guy, yes, 14 has to drop. Because if I check my code here, it says 12, 24, which is 21, 24, or 21, 42. Do you see that? Okay. And then at the bottom there, it also shows me that there is 12, 36, which is 21, 36, 12, 36 or 21 39. Actually, you're going to choose or 31 21 36, somewhere around that corner. I don't want to confuse you guys with a lot of things, but this is what I have for today. And please guys, do play these numbers exactly the way I told you. So let's just do a quick one and go to the pairing app and see what we can get from there. This is for UK Fortnite Lunch, both draws, branch and lunch. Okay, so if I have to go to this app and check the pairing for 21, I want to see what's going to happen there. I always believe in this app. It has made me so much money. Okay, so let's say 21. Remember yesterday they did skip this 21. They did skip the 21, so let's open it up maybe to 150. Okay, cool. So there's the 21 for those of you who don't have the app. You can go there and take these numbers as they are and play them. So today's banker is 21 or 12. Then because 12 has appeared twice, it's going to say 12 times 2 to give them a 24. That's how the 24 will come. Then 17 has also appeared twice, say times 2 gives them a 34. Then they change this 34 into a home figure, which is 7. Because 17 is an odd number, so I can't divide that number. Either way, I have to multiply it by 2, and it's going to give me a 34. Then it's either 34 or 7. Out of those numbers, let's check the results. What happened there? Did 34 come? Okay, 34 did drop as a 34. So either way, since this number has appeared twice, do you see this number? And 34 also appeared twice. So what comes into your mind? Because if I say 34, I just need to create something. Actually, these numbers 17 plus 34, they appear twice. Let's add them and multiply them by 2. Let's go to the calculator and check. For example, I'm going to say 17 plus 34 times 2. That gives me 85. But if I do that, it gives me 17. Then if I have to say 17 plus 34 times 40, not 49, because now I'm using 2 draws, so I'm going to use 108. No, let me see, 49 plus 49, that's a 98. I'm going to say times 98, it gives me a 33, 49, 33, 49. So either on the bonuses play 22, 33, 49, just to be safe. I know what I'm doing with that. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you on the next one for tea time. Thank you.